Hello and welcome back to this Facebook ad course on campaign creations. Now in this particular video I'm going to be going deeper into another lead generation ad campaign to create one again. Now before I create one, let's just verify this thing because we need to see what is happening here. They said that this is the last campaign I did on the video, right? They said that you may need to remove some items from your detailed targeting or confirm the changes to turn it back on. Let's see what is the changes is. It's for my targeting that this thing was happening. Okay, I need to change it. I need to see what is really happening. So let me go back here. Okay, my targeting, that's what they said. Okay, let me just remove all this thing, but I already show you what to do. This is where you exclude some people. Okay, this is where you exclude some people. Right, okay, I think I've removed that one. I think everything is fine now. You can see I removed two things. Everything is fine, but still I still have affiliate marketing to exclude. Right, this is where you just do your own stuff anyway. Choose your own state. Now let's go back on the ad creations tab so that we can select another one that we can start running ad for. Now what is going to do now is to leave this setup errors already. Okay, I have already removed the error here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on create. Okay, then I'll select leads generation. Now I'm going to go for another lead generation, which is I'm going to go for maybe websites or something else. Just say lead generation AD2. Okay, then this one at set level. You already know what I'm saying here. This one is main ad. Right, then go to next to start creating our ad. So if you follow through on everything I've been saying in this video, in this course, you will understand that it's very easy to create Facebook ad campaign, right? Then let's scroll up. Now I'm going to be selecting this A/B test in this particular one now because there's something I wanted to do. Click on next. Then I'm not going to select website again. I'm not going to select instant. I'm going to select website. Now before you select website, your landing page must be very compelling. The copies on your landing page, your product page, or your website you are driving traffic to must have a form where people can fill their form because you are trying to collect lead. Maybe where they can click and come to your DM on WhatsApp or come to your email list or whatever thing you're trying to get from the customers. So then I'll come here, I'll scroll down. What I'm going to do now is you need to select the P-cell. That is why in the last videos that I've showed you how I created my P-cell. Okay, if I was using that particular campaign manager, I will select the P-cell here, but for here let me just select this as an example. Now look at the P-cell here. On your own it's going to be showing you active, so let me just select one I want to target. Let me just say lead because I'm trying to target leads. So they're even telling me that I should view code or P-cell code. If I even click on view P-cell code, I will copy the code and paste on the website place I want to see this into the tracking, right? Now look at the P-cell code. Now I want to select another code again. This is what I'm going to do because I need only leads. So see more events. We have lead here, right? Look at what I'm going to do now. Look at the code here. I'll copy it. Simple. I'll still come to, if I copy this code now, I'll still come to that my website or landing page template editor and put the code on the header. Like I showed you guys how to do this on Travarkitech. Right, click on done. Just copy the code and put anywhere you want to put on your landing page and you're good to go. So on this particular one, I'll just put it on testing purposes. Okay, then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go down there on this particular leads, this campaign. Now I'm just trying to target everybody. All right, I'm just trying to target everybody. I'll target from 20, depending on what you're selling. Just for example, I'm selling 23 to 40 years. That's fine. Then age, gender is everything here. So here I'm going to be using broad targeting. I'm not going to be selecting anybody I want to target. I'll just leave everything like this. Alright, what I will just need to do is from 13 to 40 years, 23 to 40 years. Then I'll scroll down again. What is more important here is I will select this manual placement. I want to select only two things. One is because I'm using lead generation, I want to just select only Facebook. Okay, Only Facebook is what I needed. Inside that state Facebook, let me remove the Facebook right column. I don't need it. I don't need the Facebook right column. So I'm good to go. From here, I'll click on next. Right? I'll click on next. Then the next thing I'm going to do, if I click on next, is I'm going to, what I needed to do most is the copy of my ad. Now just copy, bring out an idea about a particular copy of any product at all. You can just say my product for you as my client here. Okay, just like this, you do your stuff the way you want. Put your product copies and what you want to tell your customers to see. Then your website address is supposed to be here. Then from here, headline is going to be something. Let's say this product order, something like this is okay. I'm just showing some little things, okay? Some little things. Now you come to this add media first. Add media. You select image. Just your own copies, your own ad copies, or whatever, or creative, anything at all. Anything at all. Just select the one that can work for you. So right here, I'm going to just select the account images I have already on my campaign stuff. So you can see what I have here. Let me select this one. I love this. Then I'll put it here. This is what I want to show you. I just want to show you some little things about website leads. Now, this website, you can see what about. Look at how the thing appears now. Now look at what's going to happen if I scroll down. You can see the lemon button now. You can see how the thing appears. You can see how the thing appears now. So let me show you what you need to do again. The button, the URL, put the address of the website. Let's say go right. Is what I want to tell you to say. Then on this display link, I don't want them to see my link to this particular one here. I will change the link, which is this thing you are seeing here now. This surpass.co. I don't want them to be seeing it. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change the website link to another thing. I just say, let me just say, this is what I want them to see. But this one, this display link now is not going to be valid, okay, on their when they click it. It's just like something that goes to replace the one that you have on the website URL there. So we're going to be onhappy.com order like this, and that's fine for me. That's fine for me like this. So everything is now okay here. You can see what I just did. Everything is now okay here. So they're going to be seeing this thing here. You can see how the thing appears now. So once I click on learn more, they will go and start learning. Get on my website and click on my website link to see what I have there. So every person that clicks on my landing page on this learn more button now, Facebook will record that person as my lead. Okay, let me go to review. Facebook will open that person as my lead. You can see the ad name, campaign page, Facebook page, creative source, image, website URL, the pixel code, and the preview of the images here. If I click on expand, this is one thing about Facebook. You can see how your ad is appearing before you click on publish. You can see what is happening here. You can see how everything appears now. This one is for mobile view. You can see how beautiful this thing is. If you love it, you can give it a try. You can hit it up and keep on going. So this is the mobile view. This is desktop view of the campaign. So different section, different format, different views of a campaign is already showing up here. So you can see how the thing appears. This one is for desktop. Anybody that using laptop or computer to browse Facebook, they'll see it like this. So this is how to set up website lead generation campaign. Now what you should pay attention is if I click on publish this campaign, right, it's going to be published, and there's something that's going to happen when I publish this campaign. It's going to ask me, it's going to take me to another page, which is going to take me to a page that I'm going to create a A/B test. I already explained what is A/B test in my previous videos. It's going to create what is called A/B test, and that A/B test is what that will help you to test different campaign objectives. Now remember that I was not targeting anybody in this particular campaign I created, this particular one now. Now in the next video, which is the next campaign after hitting on publish, I'm going to test some things. Okay, it's going to be the same image, the same campaign, but different settings. So let me just hit on publish. Let's see what is going to happen now. So I've just hit publish the campaign, so it's now publishing the campaign, and we are up and running now. Let's wait for the A/B text dialog box to open. Now they said some items cannot be published, so let's see what is the problem. Okay, now it's loading the A/B text format for us. Now look at the A/B. Look at what is A/B text. This is the first one we created now. That you're going to have two versions, version A and version B. Now you can compare the campaign that published with another version to see which perform better. Now these two campaigns are going to be competing to each other to see the one that can win the market. So anyone that wins the market, you pause the other one that is not getting more leads or more customers for you. Then you focus on the one that is giving you more customers. That is what they're going to be doing here. So with that being said, let me show you what you're going to do. Click on continue. Then you see make a copy of the existing ad. Yes, that's fine. Then go and they're asking you to pick a variable to change in the view version of your new version of your ad. Now let's say something like I will check for audience. Remember that the other one I targeted only Facebook. So this one I'm going to select custom or placement. Okay, let me just select placement because I want to target different thing. So there's no option available. Okay, let me just select custom. Let me go to next. Then look at it here. I'll just select some little things I want to say. You can see a cost per result, website leads, right? We have cost per link. Now I'll select this one they said that is recommended, which is what I wanted to be texting. By every person that comes to my website and click on the link, then I'll click on duplicate campaign. Automatically it's going to duplicate this campaign and set it up and running. Now once it's in duplicate, it's going to open up another dialog box section where I need to publish the two items. You can see now what I need to just do now is to publish this campaign. But for here, I'm not going to publish this campaign because it's for testing purposes. But I'm done with what I'm doing. So what you need to just do is to go back to your ad campaign, text some different things out. Your copies and everything you want to do on your campaigns should be excellently well structured in a way that everything you want to do in your campaign must be excellent, and you must have finished texting different things. And these things like testing different creative, testing different audience and placement, and also testing different formats of your ad, whether videos or images or carousel or anything. Then the next video, I think I'm going to be showing you what is carousel and how to use carousel on your campaigns. Right, so see you guys in the next video.